I hope you guys are having a great day, because right now in the Ambing collection, it's another unboxing day. We got new MICROTECH knives, and the model of this one are these are Ultratech Gen 3, and it's in zero blade play. And you know what? It's not just a regular Ultratech. It's a theme type with the Marvel series. It's a Dead Pool. It's a Dead Pool series, limited to. It's an exclusive by EDC Lifestyle. So right now we're opening both boxes. You can see their manuals and stickers, and you can see both Ultratechs on their boxes. The other one is full serrated, the other one's in plain blade. So you get both worlds at this unboxing. This is how it looks. Haters. So for the Ultratech blade play, they have their proprietary bowler M390 from MICROTECH. They have their own steel. This is the full serrated one, and they have the patented ergonomic X button lock right here, and their crud cutter button. The other one, crud cutters, that one. Yep. You can see that also here. They're crud cutters. And the zero blade play. The regular MICROTECHs, there's usually blade play, but for this types of Ultratechs, you can see none. And they have their machined titanium pocket clip with a roller ball. You can see it from here, so it's easier to put inside your pocket. It's easier to do that. And they got the handle feels larger and feels better to hold. So the size of it is, overall length is 8.5 inches. The blade length is 3.5 inches. And the handle width is 1 inch. And for the thickness, it's 1/2 inch. So you can see the new Dead Pool. Hope you guys enjoy it. You get to see it in person. Both of them, and I hope you get to see this in person. I'm in Manila, but right now only here in Ambing collection. I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing of the Dead Pool Ultratechs, and see you when I'm back in Manila and get to hang out with you guys. So the Dead Pool Ultratech ZBP Zero Blade Play, only at Anbean Collection. So hope you guys have a great week ahead of you and enjoy the weekend. It's almost there. Have a great weekend, everybody. Please like and subscribe for Anbean Collection.